Hey, so today this is just a fun little fiction book about some rabbits. And interestingly, even though it's fiction, it does give us a little bit of information about rabbits. And you'll see as we read. It's called Rabbits and Raindrops, and it's by Jim Arnosky. And it does not tell me who the illustrator is, so maybe Jim Arnosky both wrote it and illustrated it. He might be the author and the illustrator. Mother Rabbit sits by her nest under a hedge at the edge of green lawn. These are very big pictures, so I'm just going to hold them up. And then you can see who she has with her. Her 5 babies are ready to climb out of the nest for the first time. Mother Rabbit hops out into the bright sunlight. Onto the green grass. Oh, look at this. I just noticed in that illustration, look at the little babies are behind her peeping. One after another, the 5 baby rabbits hop out onto the lawn. They nibble clover blossoms and leaves. They meet grasshoppers, spiders, and bees. All of a sudden, the sky turns dark and big, heavy raindrops begin to fall. A rabbit's fur is not waterproof. Baby rabbits can become soaked and catch cold. So Mother Rabbit hurries her babies back under the hedge. So that was our real fact about little rabbits, that they're not very waterproof. From their dry shelter, 5 baby rabbits watch the rain pouring down. A butterfly flutters in under the hedge and rests on a dry leaf. There's the butterfly. It is not a monarch though, right? It's the wrong color. Soon, others come inside out of the rain. Who's coming now? Yeah, it's a little bird. It's a hummingbird. Out in the shower, honeybees buzz by, flying between raindrops to stay dry. Suddenly, the shower ends, and the last few raindrops splatter down. All together, the rabbits hop out onto the lawn. Look at that picture. They're all hopping together. To taste the wet grass and play rabbit tag in the sun. And what do you notice in the background? Yep, it's a rainbow. So there still must be some rain up there somewhere, some water droplets to make that rainbow in the sunshine. that's the end. Okay. That's a nice, sweet, quiet little book for a spring shower. Okay, I'll talk to you later.